Hi friends, today I'm going to be preparing deep fried sear fish steaks. Many people have requested me for this recipe. They have asked me to prepare us and show us how they prepare it at a restaurant. So at a restaurant they would normally add red food coloring, which I've not added, and this turned out excellent. The recipe in detail will be on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video. Now let's look into the ingredients and the process and get started. So I've laid out all the ingredients. This is very simple set of ingredients which you can find anywhere in the world. Now I have seerfish steaks over here, which is already washed, and I have drained all the excess water using a colander, and I've reserved the steaks in a plate. Now this is about 2.5 kgs of seerfish. I also have reserved some rice flour and corn flour. This is going to coat the seerfish marination over the seerfish. We deep fry the seerfish. It's all the masalas and the marination is going to stick on the fish. We also need egg. Egg will help the marination stick on the seerfish. I have reserved some vinegar, turmeric powder, pepper powder, asafoetida, cumin powder and chili powder. I've got some chili sauce and soya sauce. Now all these ingredients I'm going to mix and marinate this fish in. I left this marination over the fish overnight. Now I'm going to start mixing all the ingredients in a mixing bowl. Since I had 2.5 kilos of it, I used a large plate. I'm just going to mix all the ingredients and combine it. I did add salt as per taste, so you have to be very careful over here. Soya sauce and chili sauce already contains enough salt, so you need to add a little lesser amount of salt for the marination. Now I've mixed all the ingredients and I'm going to start marinating the seerfish. There are many people who have asked me to list all the ingredients that I used in this recipe on YouTube. Since I also post links to my blog and social media, there is only so much space that I can write on that description box. And even in my YouTube meetups, they've asked me to have a separate website or a blog where I can direct you all to visit the blog, and for you it would be helpful to read it in detail. So that's the reason I've not been listing everything on the video. So many people have really not been understanding this. Please visit my blog for detailed recipe. I've listed out all the ingredients, measurements and a detailed description as to how I prepare this on my blog. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video for the link. Now once I have applied the marination over the seerfish steaks, I'm going to cover this and allow this to marinate overnight. You can allow it to marinate 2 hours ahead of time if you're preparing it in a hurry. So the previous night I've marinated it and I placed it in the fridge. I covered it with a cling film and I placed it in the fridge. Now this is the next day. I've heated a wok with 1.5 cups of oil, and to the oil I'm just going to start frying the seerfish. Now before I fried the seerfish, I gave all the pieces or all the steak pieces one good mix again, so that the marination is evenly spread throughout all the pieces, and then I started to fry it. I fried one piece at a time, and then I added 2 or 3 pieces and I fried it. I fried out 2 to 3 batches in the same way. Whenever you're heating oil again for frying any fish or chicken for that matter, please place the oil on low flame. Let it reach temperature and then you can start frying it. Place it on medium flame, don't place it on high flame. So these are all tips that I can give you. If you place things on high flame or medium high flame, then the meat will not cook inside. Only your outer marination will get burnt. So be very careful when you're doing such things. I get a lot of feedback like it's gone dry It is, the fish has gone dry, the chicken has gone dry, the cutlets are not good, the crunchiness is not there. So this all depends on how you're cooking your meat or your vegetable or your chicken. So you have to place the oil on low to medium flame, very low flame. Allow the oil to reach temperature and then start frying it on medium flame. I cannot stress on this more. So you have to learn how to fry things. So there are a lot of youngsters who try many things, but they're unable to achieve that sort of a crispiness or that sort of a flavor and taste in their marinated meats, chicken, fish, or a vegetable. So you have to be very careful when you're frying certain things. Allow the oil to reach temperature on low flame. That's the key tip that I can give over here. So do follow all these tips and try this sear fish steaks. Normally at restaurants, what they do, they add tomato red color to this marination. That's why you get that red color. So we have avoided adding that. These are all natural ingredients that I've used in the recipe, and it is very safe and very good to even serve it for kids. Kids will really like it. It's not too spicy, they will love it. So you definitely serve this to your kids. Everybody will enjoy it. My parents did enjoy this a lot. So once it's finished frying, I flipped it every 2 minutes. It hardly took me about 10 minutes each batch to fry out. So I fried all the fish steaks, drained it from excess oil, and I placed it on a tissue paper before serving it. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog, friends. Blog link is listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video. The same recipe is also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video. Do like me and follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. All the links will be in the description box below this video. Now I've gone ahead and served my sear fish steaks. I just sprinkled a little bit of pepper powder, garnished it with some curry leaves and some lime wedges. I served it. My mom and dad really enjoyed it. We thoroughly enjoyed the sear fish steaks. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.